Hello friends, welcome to learning and writing. Today we learn 10 birds name. Let's start. Number 1, Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Number 2, Owl. O-W-L. Owl. Number 3, Crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. Number 4, Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Number 5, Eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. Number 6, Cuckoo. C-U-C-K-O-O. Cuckoo. Number 7, Pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. Number 8, Peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Number 9, Cock. C-O-C-K. Cock. Number 10, Swan. S-W-A-N. Swan. So dear friends, if you like this video, then subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for visiting.